everyone, in this video we will be looking at what we have been doing to my Yamaha MX100. The MX100 is a 100cc 2-stroke, and in this video we tried to get it running. Firstly, we lifted the seat so that we could access the engine. Once we did this, we removed the tank and cleaned it out. Once we did this, I removed the spark plug and cleaned it. We also removed and cleaned the carburetor. With all this done, we put the bike back together, filled the tank, and attempted to start it. We were ecstatic. The bike had started. The only problem was that the throttle was stuck, causing it to redline instantly. From here, we tried to play with the throttle cable to see if that would fix it. No luck. We then pulled it out and discovered that the needle was stuck. We fixed it and tried to start it again. As you can see, we had no luck. And from there, we had also ran out of time. We have yet to pick this project up again, and the bike is currently sitting majestically in a back shed. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time when we hopefully try again.